Hey there, amazing people. Welcome to Technology Voyage with Ashutosh, your go-to destination for ServiceNow ecosystem-related features and capabilities. I'm Ashutosh, and I'm super excited to have you join our incredible community where we explore, create, and have loads of fun together. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, there's something here for everyone. Let's get started with today's video.
Everyone is one or the other way struggling with the portal performance. In past, we were really also struggling to find, okay, which widget is causing the issue on the portal. Is it our customization or out of the box widget? As an architect and as a platform owner, I am very interested in performances, whether it is backend or front end. But today we are going to purely focus on Employee Center and its performance. What I'm going to show you is comparison between Xanadu and Yokohama and what ServiceNow is focusing on how they are enabling us to debug the performance issues on portal pages, widgets, etc. They are also telling us if it's a customized widget or not. In this video, I'm going to focus on showing you the features, how you can actually debug the performance details in Xanadu and what ServiceNow has brought in Yokohama. And in the consecutive video, I'm also going to talk about how you can add this particular feature on your custom portals. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. So in Xanadu release, ServiceNow came up with a widget called as performance indicator. If you look closely on this particular screen, on the left side, you will see a watch icon. If you click on it, it will give you load times for each and every widget which is loading on this particular page, starting from the header till your footer. If the widget is taking particular time, if it is customized, if it's not displayed, everything will be shown on this particular screen because there are certain widgets which are really focused on the personas. But now, how can you determine if this particular statistics which you see on the screen is for which user, right? The assumption here is it's for the person who is logged in at the moment and whose session is being used. So this is my Yokohama instance. Now let's focus on what ServiceNow has improved for this particular widget in Yokohama release. To do that, what I'm going to do is I'm quickly going to click on this particular icon, and here you can easily now see that there are few extra details. For example, you have enable performance statistics option, like a checkbox. If I disable it, it does not give me an option to select a user, and then we can assume that this particular details are for the logged in person. But if I do this, it gives me an option as an admin to see how was the performance calculated or what were the statistics for a particular user. Let's select a user, for example, Abraham Lincoln, and you should see that there are no statistics available. We will shortly also gather the statistics for Abraham Lincoln, but one other thing which I want to say is this particular widget now gives us more details than what was available in Xanadu. For example, I see the instances, the refresh time is now converted to server time, and we also know the category of the widget. Is it out of the box? Is it custom? Is it displayed on the form or not? Important thing to focus on is also this particular part because I'm going to now perform that 3 steps to show how the statistics are gathered from Abraham Lincoln. To do that, let's move on and impersonate Abraham Lincoln. Once I do that, what I'm going to do is quickly go to Employee Center, quickly reload it, and just to show you, we have Abraham Lincoln as the logged in user. Again, I'm going to just reload this so that ServiceNow is calculating the statistics in the backend. Now you might see that this particular icon is visible here as well. But if I click on it and if I load it, you will see nothing is coming or popping up here because there are some restrictions on who should see this particular statistics and who should not. So what I'm going to do is quickly move back, and I'm going to end the impersonation, then jumping back to the portal, reload it so that as an admin I can have a new session established. Click here pretty quickly, and then I'm just going to go and click on Abraham Lincoln. And now you can see that I have some statistics collected for that particular user, and I can see for which widget how much time it takes for this particular user. Now, why ServiceNow brought this is because as an admin, we might get an incident that, you know, I'm located out of Japan or I'm located out of Spain and I'm facing certain issues when I load my employee center. We have seen in past that network can be one of the issues, but also people having less access or more access can also cause certain access levels. And with employee center, we have taxonomies and topics, and the way ServiceNow calculates it is it bits a puzzle for me as well, because it goes layer by layer to calculate what a user can see. Last but not least, you can export this to Excel sheet and attach it to a incident if there is an incident created by the end user. And you also have kind of a proof, and then you can compare after improving the performance that what was the situation a week before and what is the situation now, just for comparison. That being said, this is what ServiceNow has brought in Yokohama. In my next video, what I'm going to focus on is to show you where the statistics are stored, and also one important thing is how can you add this feature to your custom portals. Note that right now this icon you can only see on out of the box portals where ServiceNow has added it on their own. But subscribe to the channel and then you might see my next video soon where I will go more deeper into this particular topic. For now, thank you.
Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. I appreciate all your support, and I'll see you in the next video.